yeah, this is tough. You've got some really steep inclines, declines, and another thing that makes it so bad is the rocks. It is a very busy trail. Guys, how's it going? I'm Felicia. I'm super excited you're here. We are on our way to Hatfield and McCoy's. We've got some friends along with me, so I want you guys to relax, stick around, and have some fun with me. Hey y'all, we finally made it. This is the spot we are going to be calling home for the next few days. And these are all the toys. We're going to be getting ready to get off here and start this weekend. I'll be back. Okay, here we are. how's it going? We are stopping for a break. We started out on the trail today. So far, so good. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This freaking trail to me is difficult. From riding in your backyard to riding at the, you know, the nice little track and stuff like that we go to, huge difference. This is tough. I even heard one of the other gentlemen say that, yeah, this is tough. You've got some really steep inclines, declines, and another thing that makes it so bad is the rocks. There's lots of rocks. We're in the mountains, of course, so you're gonna have rocks. Yeah, it's a difficult one, but so far so good. We said our prayer, make sure we are protected in that manner. So, but all in all, so far it's been a good day. It is a very busy trail. So you have room on the trail, but not a whole lot, you know. Very busy. All right, guys, it's about to be back at it again in just a second. We are heading out, from what I understand, to Trail 41. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, I was a little shaken here, and I'm actually driving the side-by-side right now. I'm not even on my four-wheeler, so. But let me show you guys this drop-off here. Yeah, if you go over, this is what you're gonna be going over to. What, baby? We are stopping for another break. We're gonna get some snacks in our bellies. I'm not as on edge anymore, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is challenging. Definitely want to take it slow when you come, get to know the terrain here. Very, 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 very rocky. You're gonna slide. Yeah. It's just a challenge, but we are having so much fun. Everybody is back there. But you only live once. I'm glad I came to experience this. Will I come back? Sure. I'll be better prepared next time. But all in all, we're having a good time. But just be prepared to be challenged if you are new or a beginner, like I am basically. Make sure you're going with a team or people who can navigate the trails safely, get you through them, know where you're going. Anyways, but I'm going to get back to it. I'll be back with you guys. declines, really, really rocky. I see why people get flat tires here. Really, I do. So, as always, guys, safety first. Take your time. Go with your comfort level. Guys, we are still at it. This is definitely the biggest challenge I've ever had. I'm not even driving my four-wheeler and it is still a challenge. Definitely not for the faint of heart. Thank you.
We're gonna take a picture.
Alright guys, I'm super excited now. We made it to our destination. We made it to the waterfall. Everybody made it here safely. So let's go check out this waterfall that we worked so freaking hard to get to. All in all, this This was a challenge. We did some switcheroos. Now I'm driving the Razor, my husband's driving the four-wheeler. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow, maybe I'll be driving the four-wheeler and we can go back to the original plan. Definitely a lot of people on the trails. So when you come, you really need to prepare mentally that there are going to be other people, not just your crew, that you got to look out for. So luckily there is no drinking on these trails, and that is good. I promise you, you do not want to be inebriated on these trails, period. But anyways, let's go get this waterfall in some footage.
Yeah, it's freezing. I like it.
How are you? You from Virginia?
That's fine.
Y'all want to be on YouTube?
We've been in worse places.
Huh?
He's got an OnlyFans. He sells feet pics.
Is that right?
I don't have them.
That's your hand. There you go.
Hey, have y'all rode these trails before?
Since 2000.
Is it really? Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
2000. Yep.
Have they changed, like...
They change all the time, but I mean,
They'll change the routes, but it's still the same trail. But they all hook together now, so we rode 120
we went to
miles yesterday.
Kentucky.
Oh my God.
On these? Yeah.
Oh,
Somebody might remember when they walk in the coast like this.
There he is.
child support.
All right, y'all.
get on the highway, turn all the lights off. Should be good to go.
I got big hard mud splash all over me, man.
Yeah, I'm kind of beat up too.
Woo.
How you feeling, Silas? No? What's wrong? You over it?
Like this. His nerves are bad. Oh man.
What's that?
All right, guys. I think we are close to calling it a day for today. My arms are done. I am so tired right now. Can't wait to get back to the place and chill out. So I'll be back with you. Hey y'all, we finally made it back to the house. We are all crusty, dusty, just totally destroyed right now. We all are a hot mess. Today was a lot of fun. I think they said we did about 45 miles today total. So, and I feel every bit of that 45 miles, my arms, everything. The seat didn't necessarily come all the way up for me, so I kind of had to finagle to be able to drive my husband's Razor, but hey, we worked it out. One thing that came from today, I actually learned to trust the machine. Honestly, it did what it was supposed to do, so shout out to Polaris for making an awesome machine. Yeah, I had no problems with that machine today. We were getting it. So all in all, it was a great day. 45 miles down, day one down. Good times. So we'll see you back here tomorrow.